In this tutorial, I'll show you how to rotate shapes in Draw.io. By the end, you'll be able to rotate any shape with the mouse, set an exact rotation angle in the format panel, and flip shapes horizontally or vertically. First, select shape. Click the shape you want to rotate so it's highlighted with a border and handles. You should see small squares for resizing and a circular handle for rotation. Now, drag rotation handle, the circle. Move your cursor over the small circle just outside the top of the shape until the rotate icon appears. Rotate to desired angle. Click and drag that rotation handle left or right. Watch the shape turn as you move the mouse. Release when the angle looks right. If you see an angle indicator near the cursor, use it as a guide to stop at the position you want. Exact angle. If you need a precise value, and use the format panel so the rotation is exact. Select shape. Click the same shape again to make sure it's still selected. Open format panel. On the right side of the screen, open the format panel. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see the settings for the selected shape. Enter angle and rotation. Find the rotation field and type the exact angle you want, like 15, 45, 90, or any custom value. The shape updates immediately to that precise angle. If you're aligning multiple shapes, repeat the same value so they match perfectly. Flip. If you want to mirror a shape instead of rotating it, use the flip controls. Select shape. Click the shape you want to flip so it's selected. Click. Arrange arrow. Rotate arrow. Flip horizontal/vertical. Go to the top menu, click arrange, point to rotate, then choose flip horizontal to mirror left to right, or flip vertical to mirror top to bottom. The canvas updates right away. If the result isn't what you expected, you can undo and try the other flip direction. At this point, you've rotated shapes freely with the mouse, set an exact rotation angle in the format panel, and flip shapes horizontally or vertically in Draw.io. Your rotation and flip settings are now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.